front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11S, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, just open your phone dialer, then go to contacts if you are not already in this panel, and now pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. Now select edit and click on photo. You can either take a photo now or choose something from your gallery, and you can pick which files you would like to use. I will choose phone gallery, and now just pick the picture that you would like to apply. You can customize it as only you want to. Then click on OK and tap on save. As you can see, from now on this profile picture is assigned to Lily, and every time she will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.